Next stage, I need the guitar plugged into the tuner. Now here's my secret weapon for tuning. It's a wooden block that's narrower at one end than the other. And what I'm going to do is use this at the back of the guitar to block in place the bridge so that it's at a fixed height. Because to do the tuning up now, what you need is your bridge to not be floating. You want it to be fixed. So here I go. I'm going to take the block with the flat edge against the inner back side of the cavity and push it in, and then the angle bit will push against the block of the bridge. So as I push it in, I'm going to look over the front just to check the bridge is parallel with the body. Now what's going to happen is, as I tighten the strings of the guitar, the block here is going to want to push backwards towards the back of the guitar because the strings are pulling the bridge up like that. So as they pull it up like that, this block starts to push back, but it won't push any further back because it will be touching the wooden block. As it's touching the wooden block and it can't move further back, it's essentially fixed in place. So the bridge is a fixed bridge for now because of this block. So I'm going to tighten the strings, tune the strings up while it's fixed to get them exactly right, then pull this block out by getting the springs to exactly the right tension to balance the block. Let's go through that. So this may make for quite a boring video, but what I'm doing now is the bridge is essentially fixed because of the wooden block behind it, and I'm going to tighten the strings or tune the strings to the right tuning for each string without using the micro tuners, but only by using the tuning pegs at the headstock. Remember, the nuts, the locking nuts are not locked down yet. Now normally I would do this in the upright actual position I would be playing in, but just for the video I'm going to do it like this. Right, so that's tuned up. So now I'm about to take the block out. Now obviously if the springs were much tighter than they are now, the block would just fall out because the springs would be pulling the block from the bridge inwards, and that would make the block fall out. So what's probably happening is the tension on the strings is stronger than the tension on the springs, and the strings are pulling the bridge up, which is what's holding the block in place. So I could just pull the block out and then tighten these, keeping my eye on the bridge to check its level. But what I'm actually going to do is tighten these until this becomes loose. So when I know it's loose, then I know that the tension between the two is more or less the same. So let's just do each screw very slightly. So it's quite hard to do while filming it. Oh, there you go, look, that's just really loose now. So you can see here now that the bridge is parallel with the body.